Hey, what's cooking, Jay?
Hello everyone, welcome back to Günther's Kitchen. Today we're making another Viennese special. What is the most famous dish in Vienna? Schnitzel, of course, Wiener Schnitzel. Everyone loves it all around the world. But in Vienna, I'm sure a lot of people, they would choose something else. They would choose Backhendl, which is chicken, the whole chicken normally used and cut it up. I'm just using Maryland. Crumbed and fried and absolutely delicious. Crispy, crunchy on the outside, moist and succulent on the inside. Just to die for. And today I'll show you how to make that. That's the Austrian KFC. Way, way older than KFC and way, way better. The ingredients you need is very simple. You need flour, you need egg, breadcrumbs, you need some nice chicken, you need some oil or butter or ghee to fry the chicken. That's it, very simple. Okay, let's start prepping the chicken. So what we do is, normally you just cut that here and you give pieces like that to eat. But I make it a little bit different because it's also for the family. So I just take this bone out, along the bone and along the bone, cut underneath the bone. Make sure any of those sinew bits are out. Like that. And then just break it. And you've got the bone clean. And then the next, how to take the skin off. So you take the skin, put your finger in there, and you just pull it. Pull it off, and at the end, you can cut the thing off. Okay? And that's as easy as it gets. Now we take the knife, and we score the drumstick. Just like this, maybe 3 times. So that means the bone will be cooked much faster. Or the meat close to the bone could be cooked much faster. So that means this won't be drying out until this is cooked. Alright? I'm going to do all of it now. Okay, so now it's time to crumb the chicken. So what we do, as always, we salt. Put salt on all over the chicken, and then we put some flour on. I don't want too much flour on it, so basically what I do, and I do it with the schnitzel the same, I flour one side, and then we turn it over. Yeah, like that. And then we flour the other side. We just dust it, so the egg has got something to stick to. You need flour on it, otherwise the egg and the crumbs will fall off. We've got whole eggs. Do not put any milk, any water or anything in it. Just use whole eggs. If you want nicely crumbed chicken, you don't dilute the eggs. You just whip it up. And then what we do is you take the chicken, put it in the egg. Yeah. From the egg, you put it into the crumbs. So what you do is you use one hand for the crumbs, you use one hand for the egg. So if you missed some, you go back. Go back into the crumb, into the egg. Then you go. But make sure you've got egg and crumbs everywhere. Okay, so now the oil is hot. We don't want it too hot. We just want it hot. And we are going to put in some of the chicken. Now make sure it's hot, but not too hot. So what you can do, if it's hot, you just move it to a smaller flame. But that chicken needs to be cooking for about 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. Because only got one bone in there now, so it probably we get away with 10 minutes. Okay? Okay, look at those beautiful chicken pieces. That's just absolutely delicious. Now, if you're worried that they're not cooked enough, put them in the oven on about 80 degrees for about 15 minutes. They will get nicely cooked through. Look at that beautiful Backhendl. Crispy, very nice. Moist on the inside, absolutely delightful. Have a go, try it. Copy the recipe and have some real Austrian food. Okay, I'll see you soon. Gunther's Kitchen. Like, subscribe and follow us. Bye for now.